Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing and walkthrough of the Charmast 26,800 mAh power bank. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Right then, just as with other Charmast power banks we have seen, this is pretty simple packaging for a power bank. This is larger than usual because it is a large battery power bank, but same applies. It's cellophane wrapping around the simple cardboard packaging. There we go. And you can see the Charmast power bank is depicted in an image here, and then it gives you the capacity, 26,800 mAh batteries, some details on the back saying that this is a power bank and the color, and the details for Charmast Technology Company. I'm going to open the packaging and see what's inside. Charmast seem to be very consistent with their packaging design. We see a very similar packaging design here, but to scale. So much bigger power bank. It feels hefty, but with that sort of capacity, you'd expect that. And on the inside, we have the Charmast power bank itself. The Charmast power bank is held or kept with a nice large mesh bag. And on the inside of the packaging, inside the lid, there is also a couple of cables. In this case, there is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable and a short USB Type A to micro USB cable. As well as that, we see there is also a feedback card for Charmast, a QA card to indicate that this product has passed the QA testing, and the instruction booklet. The instruction booklet is very straightforward. It tells you what the capacity of the device is. It gives you a nice schema of the product itself, in this case in German first. Let's have a look at the English first. Here we are. So English is more straightforward for me. It has multiple outputs, which we'll look at in a moment, and USB Type-C for both input and output. But let's start with the device itself. It looks nice and simple. It is significantly larger than other power banks we've seen, but it's very slim. So comparatively slightly thicker than a Google Pixel 4 XL, for example. Or if we want to compare it to the Oppo Reno 2, you can see the thickness is slightly thicker, but not by much. Now, that's very good. It's nice and slim. It is chunky, but luckily you have both an input for micro USB for charging your power bank. You can also charge the power bank using Type-C, or more importantly, if you're a Fruity device user or an Apple user, you have Lightning input. So this will allow you to charge it using your Lightning cable. So say you're traveling, this is very handy. You just take one charger with you. That's your Lightning charger for your iPhone or iPad. And you charge up your device. And when you're not charging the device, you charge up your power bank. You'll then be able to use the same cable to charge your iPhone and device. So you have USB Type-C output and input. You also have a fast charge output, as well as two other outputs. Now, if you think about it, this is a 26,000 mAh battery. You could be charging multiple devices at the same time. Let's put that to the test. So what I'm going to do is put this down, take a USB Type A cable and put it in the quick charge port here. I got it the wrong way around. And we're going to put our Xiaomi Mi 9T here. Going to plug that in, and it starts charging. Now, what we want to do is also take it open. You can see it's a single one here. So using that cable, it's not it's just standard charging, not fast charging. Let's try using a USB Type-C cable, which I have here. So using a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, oops, let me unplug. So this is in the Type-C port. I'm going to plug in the Xiaomi Mi 9T, which is a Qualcomm quick charge device. You'll see that it charges as well. And when we unlock the device, it seems to be standard. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Let's just double check the battery section. Battery and performance. So this is an hour until fully charged on this power bank. So there's not fast charging in this case, just out of the box, but it is charging faster than usual. We can't tell on this one what the actual output is, but you can see what the capacity is at the side of the power bank. On next to the power button, you have the LED indicators telling you how much of a charge the battery power bank has. So in realistic terms, this Xiaomi Mi 9T could be charged 4 or 5 times by this power bank. This is a 26,800 milliamp hour battery. You could also charge a MacBook or a laptop or a Chromebook using this and still have a couple of charges left over for your Xiaomi or Oppo or Google Pixel smartphone. What we're going to do is put this down and try and see if it charges the Oppo smartphone. This is the Oppo Reno 2. And you'll see that yes, we get a buzz telling us that it's charging. It is not fast charging in this case, but it is charging the device. And let's see how long it takes. In this case, go into settings, battery. So this is an almost full device, but it seems to be charging quite comfortably. So this is the standard, so this is not the super fast charging Charmast power bank. It is a chunky device, slightly thicker than say the Oppo Reno 2 or the Xiaomi Mi 9T or even my Google Pixel 4 XL. But for 26,800 milliamp hour seems to be very, very good value for money. And this is purchasable from both Charmast directly on their website and from Amazon. We will be putting a link to this Charmast 26,800 milliamp hour battery power bank in the description to this video. So if you would like to support the Tech Travel Geeks, you can't just subscribe to us, you can also purchase through the affiliate link in our video. But for now, thank you for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. And that was the unboxing to the Charmast 26,800 milliamp hour power bank. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.